Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord stuck on starting screen. The first solution is that Discord might be running in your background. So what you have to do is right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager and find Discord here. If you are not able to find Discord, you can simply type the Discord on the top search and select the Discord and click on End Task and relaunch Discord and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is update the Discord application. Sometimes these kinds of error occurs because you are using an outdated version of the Discord. But even after updating the Discord doesn't help you fix the problem or the issue, then what you can do is to clear the app data of the Discord. So what you have to do is type run on the Windows search. Now in this box you have to type in %app data %. Now hit enter. It will open this folder. Now what you have to do is find Discord here. Now what you have to do is right click and click on the delete button. Now it will not delete the Discord application from your PC. It will only delete the cached data. Now try reopening the Discord and check if the problem is fixed or not. Now let's try the third solution, which is uninstalling and reinstalling the Discord for a fresh restart. Now to uninstall, what you have to do is type in add or remove programs. Now it will open these settings. Type in the Discord in the search apps. Click on the three dotted or the more options. Click on uninstall. Now once you have uninstalled the Discord, what you have to do is visit the official Discord website, or you can simply type in download Discord on the Google search engine and click on the top search result. Click on download for Windows, for Mac, whatever device you're using, and install the exe file and reinstall the Discord, and your problem will be fixed. And that's simply how you can fix Discord stuck on starting screen. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.